Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my research. My name is Asapita Dwi Putri, and the title of my study is Sentiment Analysis of Twitter Users' Opinions on Indonesia Playing FIT increased to 12% using naive support vector machines, and random forest. This research focuses on applying machine learning techniques to analyze public sentiment with the goal of identifying the most effective classification model. Throughout this presentation, I will discuss the background research methods and the expected contribution of this study. Allow me to begin with the background and objectives of the research. The first background, the government of Indonesia has proposed increasing of the value-added tax, or VAT rate to 12%, sparking various public reaction on social media platforms such as Twitter. Understanding public sentiment of this matter is critical for policymakers to gauge societal perspective. This research aims to analyze this sentiment using machine learning techniques to classify opinions into positive, negative, or neutral categories. By comparing three machine learning models, naive-Bayes, Clifford vector machines, and random forest, this study seeks to determine which method is most suitable for sentiment analysis in this context. 2. Problem statement. How can Twitter data be processed to analyze public sentiment on the purpose VAT increase? 2. With machine learning algorithm such as naive-Bayes, support vector machines or random forest provides the most accurate sentiment classification. 3. To perform sentiment analysis on Twitter data regarding the proposed VAT increase. 2. To compare the performance of naive-Bayes, support vector machine, and random forest models. 3. To determine the most effective classification model for the sentiment analysis. 4. Research methodology. The study adopts the CRISP-DM cross-industry standard process for data mining framework structured into the following steps. First, business understanding. To define objective and key questions regarding public sentiment on VAT. 2. Data understanding. For data storage, Twitter data scraped using the TweetPy Python library. For keywords, tweets containing terms like VAT 12% and tax increase and their Indonesian equivalents. 3. For data preparation. First step is pre-processing step. Cleaning, for removing special character, number, and irrelevant symbol. 2. Tokenization, splitting text to individual words. 3. Stop word removal, to eliminating non-contributory words like an or the in Indonesian, dan, and yang. And stemming, reducing words to their root form using the Sastrari library. 3. Next is labeling. Sentiment are labeled as positive, negative, or neutral using plus dictionary-based labeling. And 2 is manual labeling. For modeling is algorithms use naive-Bayes, support vector machines, and random forest. For evaluation metrics using accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. For evaluation, to compare and analyze the model's performance using the metrics above. Discuss the strength and weakness of each model in sentiment classification. And for deployment, create a visualization dashboard using Tableau or Power BI to present sentiment trends and insight. For the last is expected contribution. This research contributes to the field of business intelligence by demonstrating how machine learning techniques can be used for sentiment analysis on economic policies. It also provides a comparative study of three prominent classification models, offering insight for future application of sentiment analysis in public policy evaluation.